Express. Dizbull Express Malaysia is a courier express company, provide any types of express deliveries such as documents, parcels, shipping to collection point and also delivery service. Established in 2019, location of business at Kawasan Industri Nilai, Negeri Sembilan. The organization is Courier Express Company, Dizbull Express. The input is managers, workers, riders, drivers and assembling equipment. The transformation process involves parcel packaging, wrapping and sealing. The output is parcels. And the feedback is suggestion, complaints and loyalty. Single factor productivity. Dizbull Express produce 40,000 units of parcels. Labor hours is 250 at RM10. Labor's productivity. Units produced divided by labors minus hours used. 40,000 divide 250 equal 24 units.
Chapter 3 Plan Location Strategy. Dizbull Express is considering the potential location to build a factory in Malaysia. The location that considered is Kelang, Bangi, Senawang and Cheras. Factor to be considered in making location decision: market proximity, availability of labor and skill, cost, availability of transportation facilities. Factor affecting the location decision. The selection of location is influenced by a number of factors. These factors can be broadly classified as market-related factors such as proximity to market, tangible or cost factors such as transportation availability, and intangible or qualitative factors such as environment aspects. Some of the factors that influence the location decision are discussed below. Market proximity. Location facilities close to the market helps firms not only reduce transportation costs but also serve their customer better. Our firm can provide just-in-time delivery, respond to change in demand and react quickly to fill or service problem. Market proximity is a prime consideration for poor service organizations such as hotel, hospital, retail store and retail. Therefore, we should always be located close to the market. Availability of labor and skills. The availability of labor and skill is one of the important factors in production. Labor may be readily available in some areas than in other areas. Availability of skill as well as unskilled labor in the required proportion in one area is usually not possible. Our firm that emphasizes more on technology requires skilled people also refer a location where the skilled people are available. Cost. The management of our firm should ensure that the cost of the site is reasonable for the benefit that it is going to provide. Availability of transportation facilities. The 5 basic models of physical transportation are air, road, rail, water and pipeline. Our firm considers the relative cost, convenience and suitability of each mode and then select the transportation method. For instance, our firm that produces goods that are to be exported may choose a location near a seaport or a large airport. This is intangible cost for Kelang, Bangi, Cheras and Senawang. This is tangible cost for Kelang, Bangi, Cheras and Senawang. Based on the table above, we can conclude that Cheras is the preferred location because of the highest total score. Based on the tangible factor to the most suitable location, we can conclude that Cheras is the most suitable location because of the highest merit, and this should be selected. Integrate both the tangible and intangible factor to find recommended location. If both factors need to be considered, the most preferred location is Cheras with the highest rank.
So now I will explain about basic layout pattern applied in our company. As you can see in this slide, there are 6 ways it works in our company. Firstly is order. Confirm an order of weight, shipping price and also which courier service is for delivery. Second one is collect cargo. We collect cargo from you or your supplier based on order. Third one is reinforce. If necessary, consolidate cargo, and reinforce packaging. Next is carrier. Carrier to delivery, cargo to carrier. And next, transportation. Express company arrange anything including clearing custom for importing and exporting to destination. And now is delivery. We express services deliver item to your door. Advantage and disadvantage of our company process layout. Let's start with the advantage. The first one is cost reduction. Cost reduction because due to automated facilities and other globalized distribution system, transport costs and handling costs are able to be reduced. And the next advantage is exchange distribution network. There are a variety of companies out there that are available to take care of your logistic need at a national and international level. So we proceed to the next disadvantage. Firstly is cost of transport. Cost of transport will make it difficult to get a competitive price. Transportation is by far the greatest cost of the logistics sector. And the last one is legality. Barrier pertaining to entry and exit can also be a hurdle to overcome, considering that each country and state can have its own say on logistical practices.
For the chapter 6 is work measurement. For the task, we'll give an interruption, maintenance, time, and other. As you can see, is the office time. We give a 3 and a performance rating. For the allowance and working hour have been set at personal time 30 minutes per day, relaxation 50 minutes per day, process 12 minutes per day, working hour from 8 AM to 8 PM. For allowance, we give 10%. For the basic normal time for operation, calculate the normal time of operation. For AOT 1 is 4.33 minutes. For AOT 2 is 3.8 minutes. And AOT 3 for 5.5 minutes. Basic normal time for the natural time job element A is 4.76 minutes. For the element B is 3.8 minutes. And for the element C is 4.4 minutes. For total normal time for element A, B, and C is 12.96 minutes. For basic normal time is 12.77%, which convert to 13%. For the standard time basic for normal time is 14.64 minutes. Expected number of units can be produced by a worker in 2 weeks. We're assuming 5 working day per week. We got the answer with 491.80. We convert to 492 unit of output for 2 years. For the last slide is number of workers required to meet monthly demand of 10,000 units, assuming there are 4 weeks in a month. We got the answer for 10 workers. And for the labor cost per unit, we got a ringgit measure 3.33 per unit.
If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe?